Hi, I'm Janey Bishop, a residential real estate broker in the West San Fernando Valley area of Los Angeles, and today I'm going to talk about Proposition 19, which was passed in November and increases the options for the transfer of your taxable property value for homeowners 55 and those disabled. It is effective April 1st, 2021, and it has not been written into law, but this information is from the Secretary of State's proposed text. To understand a little bit more, it's important to look at the history of property tax in California. In the 1970s, property tax was set each year based on how much money the government needed, and this led to wide fluctuations. Some seniors and those on fixed incomes could be forced to sell their home because they hadn't planned for the wide fluctuations in property tax. Because of that, in 1978, Proposition 13 was passed. It set your property tax value based on the 1976 value of your home and limited the increases to 2% a year unless the property was sold or had major construction such as an addition. This helped especially senior homeowners by having a consistent property tax amount. However, over the long term, it restricted some from being able to sell their house because, for example, let's say their house property tax basis was $500,000 and the house is now worth $1 million. If they went to sell their house and buy a new house near family and friends for the same amount, their new property tax would be the $1 million based on the $1 million property value. So in 1986, Proposition 60 was passed, which allowed senior homeowners and those disabled to one-time sell their house and purchase a house of equal or lesser value in 10 counties that participated in this. This allowed seniors and empty nesters to downsize to a more manageable house and be closer to friends and family. Under Proposition 19, there won't be a big change for homeowners that want to purchase a home of equal or lesser value. The key differences will be that, number one, it is not restricted to transfers to 10 counties. It includes all of California, and you are not restricted to one transfer in your lifetime, but that has now been expanded to 3 transfers. There are, however, big changes for homeowners that would like to sell their current home and transfer their property tax basis to a property of greater value, which was not allowed at all before. Now you can sell the current home. As an example, let's say your property tax value is $500,000, but your home is worth $1 million. You can purchase a home for $1.2 million and transfer your property tax basis. It will transfer the $500,000 increased by the difference from your sale to your purchase price, which is $200,000. So your new property tax basis would be $500,000 plus $200,000 for $700,000. But as you can see, the difference in taxes on $700,000 versus $1.2 million is about $5,500 a year. So it does have great value. And you have the benefit of the now being able to take 3 transfers. It doesn't seem that many homeowners would actually need 3, but it's nice to know that if your situation changes, you could. So when you complete the sale of your existing property and the purchase of your new property within the 2-year guideline, you then submit to the assessor to transfer your property tax basis. If you would like to know more about this and the value of your home, I'm happy to help you. My name is Janey Bishop,